On CNN News 18 now, amid clashes over centre's new ordinance on the transfer of bureaucrats in the national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is meeting opposition leaders to garner support against the new bill. Today, the AAP convener will meet former Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, whereas tomorrow he will be meeting NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar. Now, this comes a day after he met his West Bengal counterpart Mamta Banerjee in Kolkata. Extending support to Kejriwal against the ordinance, Mamta Banerjee urged all opposition parties to oppose the ordinance in the Rajya Sabha. Now remember, on Sunday, Kejriwal met Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, and just a day later, Nitish Kumar met Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. However, Congress hasn't taken any decision yet on offering support to the Aam Aadmi Party against the ordinance.
वार्मली हम लोगों को वेलकम किया। इतना प्यार हमेशा दीदी का प्यार मिलता रहता है हम लोगों को, हमारी बड़ी बहन की तरह है दीदी। जैसे ही हमारी सरकार बनी, इन लोगों ने नोटिफिकेशन, केंद्र सरकार ने नोटिफिकेशन पास करके, एक नोटिफिकेशन, सिंपल नोटिफिकेशन पास करके दिल्ली की चुनी हुई सरकार की सारी पावर्स छीन ली। 8 साल तक दिल्ली के लोगों ने संघर्ष किया। हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए। 8 साल के संघर्ष के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमारे पक्ष में ऑर्डर किया। दिल्ली की जनता जीत गई। लेकिन जैसे ही ऑर्डर आया सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, 1 हफ्ते के बाद इन्होंने ऑर्डिनेंस लाके जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था उसको उन्होंने पलट दिया। और उस दिन पलटा जिस दिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट वेकेशन पे जा रहा था। इन लोगों ने जिस तरह से डेमोक्रेसी का मजाक बना दिया है, जहां पे बीजेपी की सरकार नहीं बनती वहां ये एमएलए खरीद के सरकार गिरा देते हैं उस पार्टी की और अपनी बीजेपी की सरकार बना लेते हैं। दूसरा, जहां बीजेपी की सरकार नहीं बनती वहां ये ईडी और सीबीआई को इस्तेमाल करके दूसरी पार्टी के एमएलए को डराते हैं, धमकाते हैं, उनको तोड़ लेते हैं और उनकी सरकार गिरा के बीजेपी की सरकार बना लेते हैं।
देश की जनता को ये देख के अब इस अहंकारी सरकार को हटाना चाहिए। तो एक तो मैं दीदी का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि राज्यसभा के अंदर इन्होंने कहा कि हम सपोर्ट करेंगे, और मैं समझता हूं कि अगर राज्यसभा में ये बिल गिर जाता है तो ये एक तरह से सेमीफाइनल हो जाएगा 2024 का।
CNN News 18's Mumbai Bureau Chief Vinaya Deshpande is joining us on this story. Vinaya, can you give us details about Kejriwal's meeting with Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar?
A very good morning, Anjali. Yes, in fact, these 2 days are prepped as extremely crucial in Maharashtra, as Arvind Kejriwal, who landed in Mumbai late last night, is slated to meet Uddhav Thackeray at 12 noon today at his residence Matoshri, and will thereafter stay back tonight and will meet Sharad Pawar tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock. Now, let us understand that this is a part of Arvind Kejriwal rallying against the BJP, against the central ordinance, which the opposition parties hope to oppose in the upper house, and that is why a consensus is being built on the issue. As of now, the meeting is slated to take place at 12 o'clock at Matoshri. Thereafter, we expect that both Arvind Kejriwal as well as Uddhav Thackeray will address the media and speak about the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray group's support to Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, he is on a rallying tour a whirlwind tour of several states. He has already met Nitish Kumar, he has met Mamta Banerjee. Both of them have extended their support. But let me also tell you, Anjali, when it comes to the number game, Maharashtra may be more of an optics than any major gains with respect to support within the Rajya Sabha. Remember, Uddhav Thackeray's faction of the Shiv Sena has only 3 Rajya Sabha MPs. Sharad Pawar's party, the Nationalist Congress Party, has only 4 Rajya Sabha MPs. So both of them put together will be not more than 7 Rajya Sabha MPs that Arvind Kejriwal will look to get support from, as opposed to West Bengal, where he met Mamta Banerjee, where Mamta Banerjee's TMC itself had over 13 MPs, and we will see that other larger parties from the opposition, with the support of which will be crucial for Arvind Kejriwal in order to make sure that there is a massive support against the central ordinance that the government now wants to bring in the parliament to be passed. Back to you.
All right, Vinaya, thank you for getting us all those details on Kejriwal's meeting with former Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, whereas he will be meeting NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar tomorrow. It's time for a short break, but we'll be right back. Stay with us.